As of about 6 hours ago, AI agents can now have their own bank accounts. Not a metaphor. Cloudflare, the company that routes roughly 20% of all traffic on the internet, just gave AI agents actual programmable wallets. Real money, real spending limits, real autonomy to buy things online without asking you first. And almost nobody's talking about it yet. Here's why this matters more than it sounds like it does. Right now, when an AI agent wants to use a paid API or buy access to something online, it hits a wall. It needs a human to log in, add a card, and hand over payment info. That's the bottleneck that's been quietly limiting what autonomous AI can actually do on its own. As of today, that bottleneck is gone. Cloudflare's new system is called Wallets, paired with something called Cloudflare.pay. Here's the structure. You get an account wallet. That's yours. You control it. You load it with stablecoins. Then you create virtual wallets underneath it, one for each AI agent you deploy. Each of those runs off its own API key and spends directly from your account. And there are real guardrails. You set a spending cap, an approved merchant list, a maximum transaction size. So your agent can't just go rogue and drain the account. But within those limits, it can sign up for services, pay for APIs, and complete purchases with zero human approval in real time. This is built on something called X402. That's HTTP status code 402, payment required, which has technically existed in the web's core spec since the 1990s and has never actually been used. 30 years sitting dormant in the protocol, waiting for software that could actually pay for things on its own. As of today, that software exists. And this isn't some fringe experiment. Cloudflare's own chief strategy officer said this week that 57% of all web traffic right now is bots. Not a future prediction, that's the current number. The internet is already majority machine, and as of today, the machines have wallets. Here's what I keep coming back to. We've spent the better part of this year, this whole channel honestly, tracking how governments are racing to control who gets to build and deploy powerful AI. Export controls, blacklists, sovereign wealth stakes, all of it. And meanwhile, a private infrastructure company just quietly handed autonomous AI agents the ability to spend real money with no human in the loop. And there's no regulatory conversation about this happening anywhere yet. Nobody in government has said a word. Full payment functionality isn't even live yet. Right now you can only reserve your wallet handle. Actual spending rolls out over the coming months. But the infrastructure is built, the precedent is set, and the window where this was purely theoretical just closed. So while everyone's watching the AI labs and the export bans, keep an eye on this one too, because the moment AI agents can actually spend money on their own at scale, a lot of the control conversation we've been having this whole time gets a lot more urgent, a lot faster than anyone's planning for. I'll be tracking this one closely. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead of it.